If your video workflow is slow, it's costing you views and money. Every extra hour you spend converting files, compressing videos, or switching between tools is time you're not uploading, and fewer uploads mean slower growth. That's where tools like the Wondershare UniConverter come in. It's designed to handle multiple parts of the video process in one place, so you can spend less time on technical steps and more time creating. Let's break down how it actually speeds things up. One of the biggest time wasters for creators is dealing with file formats, especially when you're uploading to different platforms. Instead of converting videos one by one, the UniConverter lets you batch convert everything at once. Just import your files, choose the format you need, and run them all together. If you're producing content regularly, this alone can save hours every week, especially when you're prepping multiple videos for upload. Another bottleneck is file size. High-quality videos take longer to upload and are harder to share with clients or collaborators. With the UniConverter's compression tool, you can reduce file size without killing the quality. So instead of waiting forever for uploads or struggling to send large files, you get faster turnaround and a smoother publishing process. The way it works is that you can either set a target size for predictable results or use AI compression to get smaller files with solid quality. For most cases, something around 70% for the AI compression mode is a good balance. Not every edit needs a full editing program. Sometimes just need to trim a clip, fix the aspect ratio, or cut out sections before posting. The UniConverter includes quick editing tools for exactly that, so you don't have to open heavier software just to make small changes. When you're handling multiple videos, those small time savings add up fast. Subtitles are no longer optional, especially for mobile viewers. A huge percentage of people watch videos without sound, so if your content isn't captioned, you're losing engagement. Instead of typing everything manually, the UniConverter can generate subtitles automatically. Just upload your video, run the Auto-Subtitle generator, and it'll detect the language for you. You can also translate the subtitles into other languages or create bilingual captions to reach a wider audience. That means more accessibility, better retention, and no hours spent writing captions line by line. At the end of the day, growing with video isn't just about making better content, it's about making content faster and more consistently. If your workflow is cluttered or slow, it limits how much you can actually produce. But when you streamline things, batch conversions, faster uploads, quick edits, automatic subtitles, you remove those bottlenecks. That gives you more time to focus on ideas, storytelling, and scaling your content. If you want to speed up your workflow and stay consistent, tools like the UniConverter can make a real difference. Check out the channel for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.